Atan migao mar thieth Aiden Duale omedo chung motegno hewi chwalo jochiew thieth mag UHC nyake counties. Duale mane lose county mag Garissa koni chutho eno komi omenda kokalo kuom od bura to ikore mandiko jochiew thieth go e mongirore makmana ne gisani to nyako chwalgi ne county kama owinjo bed ni gibedoe.
Mambo ya UHC mimi na governors tumesikizana. The problem is some people want me to make popular decisions. No, I will make the right decision. I have spoken to the Senate, I have spoken to the National Assembly. In their wisdom, if they allocate the 4.2 billion that is required to make our healthcare workers, who I have a lot of respect for, the UHC staff, if that provision is made, by July, I will, working with the Council of Governors, we will transition them to permanent and pension. The Council of Governors have agreed with me. I met the chair of the Health Committee on Friday. I am pro-devolution, and I know health is devolved. There is no way you can have a contract with the county government and your payroll is in MOH. There's no way.